The Ancient Art of Bonsai. Bonsai is the ancient and intricate art of growing miniature trees in containers. This practice requires a deep understanding of horticulture and an artistic touch. It originated in China over 1,000 years ago, where it was known as penjing, and was used to create miniature landscapes. The practice spread to Japan, where it was refined and developed into an art form. Japanese bonsai masters elevated it to new heights, focusing on simplicity and harmony. Bonsai trees are not genetically dwarfed. They are the same species as their full-sized counterparts. They are regular trees painstakingly trained to grow in miniature through techniques like pruning, wiring, and careful potting. The word bonsai literally means planted in a container. This reflects the essence of the art, which is to create a natural scene in a confined space. It represents a harmonious blend of nature and artistry, capturing the beauty of a full-size tree in a small, manageable form. Bonsai trees are living sculptures. Each one is a testament to the patience and creativity of its cultivator. They require patience, dedication, and a keen eye for detail to cultivate. The process can take years, even decades, to achieve the desired form. Bonsai cultivation is a journey of discovery. Each tree has its own character and potential, waiting to be revealed. Every twist and turn of the branches tells a story. Each bonsai is unique, shaped by the hands and vision of its creator. It reflects the vision and skill of its cultivator, embodying a perfect balance between nature and human artistry. Choosing your bonsai companion. Selecting the right bonsai tree is the first step. Consider your experience level and the environment you can provide. Some popular bonsai species for beginners include ficus, which is tolerant of indoor conditions and easy to care for. Chinese elm, hardy and adaptable, suitable for beginners. Japanese maple, prized for their vibrant autumn foliage. When choosing a bonsai, examine its overall health. Look for vibrant foliage, a strong trunk, and well-distributed branches. Consider the tree's style and shape. Do you prefer a formal upright form or a more informal cascading style? Shaping your bonsai, a step-by-step guide. Pruning and shaping are essential aspects of bonsai cultivation. These techniques not only help in maintaining the tree's health but also enhance its beauty. They allow you to direct the tree's growth and create aesthetically pleasing forms. With patience and practice, you can transform your bonsai into a living piece of art. Start with clean, sharp tools. This ensures that your cuts are precise and do not damage the tree. Use bonsai shears or scissors for precise cuts. These tools are specifically designed to make clean cuts that promote healthy growth. Remove any dead, diseased, or crossing branches. This step is crucial for preventing disease and ensuring that your bonsai remains healthy. This improves air circulation and light penetration. Trim back leggy growth to encourage a more balanced and attractive shape. This encourages branching and creates a more compact shape. Regular pruning helps in maintaining the desired form and size of your bonsai. Wiring is another technique used to shape bonsai trees. It allows you to guide the growth direction of branches over time. By carefully wrapping wire around branches, you can gently bend and position them to achieve the desired form. Be patient, as this process can take several months. Remember to remove the wire before it cuts into the bark. Regularly check the wires to ensure they are not causing any damage to the tree. Bonsai care: the essentials. Bonsai trees require specialized care to thrive in their containers. Here are the essentials you need to know to keep your bonsai healthy and beautiful. Soil. Use a well-draining bonsai soil mix. This is crucial for the health of your bonsai as it prevents waterlogging and root rot. This typically consists of akadama, pumice, and lava rock. These components ensure proper aeration and moisture retention. Watering. Water your bonsai thoroughly when the soil surface feels slightly dry. It's important to water deeply to ensure the roots get enough moisture. The frequency will vary depending on the species, pot size, and environmental conditions. Always check the soil before watering. Placement. Most bonsai trees benefit from bright, indirect light. Proper placement is key to their growth and health. Place them near a window but avoid direct sunlight, which can be too intense and scorch the leaves. Adjust their position as the seasons change to ensure they get the right amount of light. Regular fertilization during the growing season is crucial to provide your bonsai with the necessary nutrients. This helps in maintaining their vigor and promoting growth. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer specifically formulated for bonsai trees. Follow the instructions on the package for the best results. The rewards of bonsai cultivation. Caring for a bonsai tree is a rewarding experience. It teaches patience, mindfulness, and an appreciation for the beauty of nature. The art of bonsai lies in nurturing a living, growing miniature tree. It's a journey of observation, adaptation, and gentle guidance. Through careful pruning, shaping, and care, you create a miniature masterpiece. Your bonsai becomes a reflection of your dedication and artistry. The meditative practice of bonsai cultivation can bring a sense of tranquility and fulfillment to your life.